What is up, guys? Bombgardener here, and today I'm bringing you guys a video on how to motovlog, more specifically how my helmet is set up, such as how my GoPro is set up, my microphone that goes to the GoPro, my communication systems, and everything in between with the helmet for motovlogging. Everybody always be like, "Hey, yo, Matthew, what you got on?" Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's I've had quite a few people message me, comment, asking how I have my helmet set up. They want a video like this, so I figured I'll go ahead and make one. It's the winter months. We just got 8 inches of snow outside, so I can't ride at all. So let me get this video made for you guys, just so you guys, if you guys are on the East Coast and you're trying to buy gear to start motovlogging whenever the summer comes, you can go ahead and start getting some of this gear. Now listen, I promise this isn't going to be one of those videos with like a 6-minute intro, but there is something I want to talk to you guys about real quick. And it's gonna be a real quick conversation, but we got to talk about it, okay? Because we got a serious issue going on right now. Listen, a large majority of you guys that are watching these videos are not hitting the subscribe button. What is up with that? I'm not even joking. I was checking the analytics and like 60% of my viewers aren't subscribers. So hear me out. If you guys could just do me a huge favor, if you're in landscape mode on your phone, put it back up in portrait mode, and there'll be a red button that says subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I'll give you guys just a few seconds. Go ahead. Do it right now. Do it right now. And you know what? While you're at it, go ahead and hit the like button. It'll be like the thumbs up thing. Yeah. Go ahead and hit that. We're shooting for 500 billion trillion likes on this video, and I need as many likes as I can to hit that goal. But hey, I'm not going to hold you guys up any longer. Let's go ahead and get into this review and setup of my helmet. Alright guys, before we get too far into this video, I would like to start it off with saying I have no clue what I'm doing here. This is absolutely the first time I've ever made a video in this kind of fashion, like showing off something with the tripod hanging over it, and it's just such a weird angle for me, and I don't know what's going on. But as I said, I've had a few people request this video or this type of video, so I'm gonna do the best that I can to provide that video for the people that wanted this. So, with that said, here is my helmet. It is absolutely nothing special at all. It's just a Bell Qualifier Deluxe, but it's just got a few attachments on it that help me record videos. The first and most obvious thing being this GoPro right here. This is a GoPro Hero 8 Black. I actually got a pretty freaking sick deal on it. They had an open box at Best Buy, and I used to work at Best Buy, so I know that an open box camera, those get sent back to the factory, the lenses are cleaned on them, and everything's checked to make sure that they're okay. So I'm pretty comfortable with buying open box cameras. As you can see right here, it's a little bit smudgy right now, but we just do that right there. Yeah. Do that. And it still looks like crap. But yeah, I got pretty lucky with this GoPro. Like I said, the open box gave me a really killer deal on it. I forget exactly how much I paid for it, but I got a pretty sweet deal on it. This GoPro does just about everything that I need right now. I get about an hour, 50-ish minutes of battery life whenever I'm recording at 4K, 60 frames a second. I have a 128 gigabyte SD, micro SD card in it, so I don't really have to worry about storage. And all around in the settings and everything, which I'll make a separate video on, the settings and everything, you can set this to make it look very good. Now, my first few videos didn't play with the settings at all, but these last 2 videos that I've dropped, I had played with the settings a little bit, and they look better. I still need to learn how to color grade though. But how do we have this GoPro attached to the helmet, you might ask? Let me show you that. Alright, so check this out. This is actually pretty freaking cool. A company called Chin Mounts. You can look them up, chinmounts.com, I think it is. They specially 3D print mounts for GoPros or action cameras, but they specifically make them for each kind of helmet that's out there. They have tons and tons and tons of different types of helmets. Of course, they have one for the Bell Qualifier Deluxe. That's how I have one on here. If you're going to be putting a GoPro on a helmet, I highly suggest you get a chin mount. The angle is just absolutely perfect. I had it up on the top of it at first, and that angle was just way too high. I'm already 6'4", so having it on the top of the helmet made it look like I was the freaking green giant on top, and it looked awful. Next on the list is the Sena 50S communication device. I know a lot of people go with Cardo. My closest friends that ride had Sena, so I went with Sena, and I've been pretty happy with it so far. The battery life on this is like 30 freaking hours, so I don't really have to worry about the battery ever dying. And whenever you get done with a ride, all you have to do is just take it off like I just did, and you're gonna find this little port right here. hook it up to that USB Type-C, charge it overnight, and boom, you're ready to go for the next day, or well, for the next 30 freaking hours. Also, whenever you order a Sena, this is going to be the mount that comes with your Sena. This is how you mount it to your helmet. A few little Allen keys right in there. You're going to tighten it down. But it's got the microphone right here that you wire up to the chin, and this is how you're going to be able to talk to your fellow riders. I, however, prefer to talk to your mother and let her know when I'm coming over. What is this wire right here, and why is it dangling around everywhere, and why is it not tucked in nice and neat? Well, actually, it is tucked in nice and neat, because I'm telling you, this wire is freaking long, and I'm going to try to show you it the best that I can. This wire actually connects to the GoPro, and this is how you guys can hear what I'm saying inside of the helmet. Now, if you look carefully, there's a dead cat here, and that's where my microphone is. It's tucked in up under the upper end of the cheek pad. And the reason I have it mounted there is you don't want to mount it right directly in front of your chin, because whenever I'm talking, I generally talk pretty loud in a helmet. As the wind noise goes up, my voice naturally goes up. And if I had it right in the front, it'd be cutting, breaking, and it'd be really, really bad. And a reason you don't want to mount it towards the bottom of the cheek pad is because wind is going to be coming in from the bottom. And if you actually listen to my very first video I made, that's where I had it, and I had so much wind noise until I moved it up here. Now, this microphone particularly is the Purple Panda. You can get it on Amazon. I think it was like $30. Very cheap microphone, but it actually has some pretty good sound quality to it. Now, if you look back here, I have this wire spooled up. You can see the duct tape where it is, but it does around 2 loops around the helmet so I could have it equally distributed, and I didn't want to have any hot spots to where, you know, something pointy was poking my head and causing discomfort while I was riding. And it happened to just perfectly extend all the way out to the bottom of the chin here. And then I just wired it through the chin strap right here so it looked nice and clean, and it has literally the perfect distance to go into my GoPro. Now guys, this setup is not going to be permanent. I'm already about to order an AGV K6. It's going to be a much better helmet, and it's going to be a lot more quiet so you guys can hear me a lot better. There's going to be much less wind noise, and it's going to be so much lighter. This is, I mean, it's not too heavy of a helmet, but that AGV K6 is going to be much lighter than this helmet. Now let's go back a few steps and talk about this GoPro. Now this is not how your GoPro is going to come if you order the GoPro Hero Black. It's going to look a little bit more like this. It'll have a side casing on here, but you have to take it off for this media mod case. So it would be very nice if I could use the GoPro without that case. It would take off a little bit of weight, but if you look closely here, there are no plugins for a microphone. So that's where this comes in. This is the GoPro Hero 8 Media Mod Kit. And if you look at the back here, you have 3 different inputs. You got a micro USB, I believe that's what that is. I think that's a micro USB. You got a USB Type-C, and you have a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary input. Keep in mind, if you are ordering a microphone, this is a TRS input, meaning the 3.5 mil-in has to be tip ring, and I don't know what the S stands for. It means something. But some of them are TRRS, which means tip, ring, and something. Maybe the S means something. Now, to give you guys an example of that, this is a TRS. It's an attachment that comes with the Purple Panda. The Purple Panda naturally is a TRRS, but you have to put on this adapter that comes with it whenever you purchase it. So tip, gold right here, that's 1 ring, and then I don't know what that is. So whenever you are ordering a microphone, if you're not going to go with the Purple Panda, make sure that you do get one that has the TRS so you can put it in your GoPro Media Mod. This thing is also nice if you're going to set it up somewhere and record a vlog, you know, face to face, not from your helmet. It has an extra microphone here so you don't have to use the stock microphone on the GoPro, and it does sound pretty good. If you'd like, you can refer to the Yoshimura exhaust install, and in that video I am using this microphone. You can go through the settings and actually change from your back microphone to your front microphone, or you can be picking up from all microphones. But by gosh, guys, that just about does it for my Motovlog helmet setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys gained some kind of information from this. If this did benefit you in any way, or if you just want to show support to me, make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can continue to see all the freaking sick, gnarly footage that I'm going to be dropping. It's the winter cold months here in West Virginia, so I don't know when I'm going to be having a lot of riding videos. I do have one saved up that I'm going to be posting very soon, but we will be doing more videos like this with gear, helmet setups, gear reviews, mod installs on the Yamaha R7. Don't worry, we're going to have content. We're posting every Tuesday and Saturday, so subscribe so that you can watch all that content that comes out. Also, if you want any of the products that are shown in this video, including the helmet, the visor, the media mod, the GoPro, the Cine 50S, I will have links to these products down in the description. I'm not an Amazon affiliate. I don't make money from this. I just want to make it easier for you guys to find this stuff. And please guys, if you guys have any questions on how I set this up or any of the pieces of equipment, make sure you drop a comment, ask me in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to get back with you. And if you just want to comment and say that my hands look really nice, look at them. They look really good. You can do that too. I mean, I won't be upset. But anyways, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you all in the next video.